So welcome again. So next question is this one. A regular hexagonal pyramid. So here the object is regular hexagonal pyramid. Regular hexagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm and axis 74 millimeter long. So the side of the hexagon is 30 mm and the height of this pyramid is 74 millimeter. Is resting on its base on HP. So here in this hexagonal pyramid, the base is hexagon and this hexagon is resting on HP, horizontal plane, in such a way that one side of the base is parallel to VP. One side of this hexagon is parallel to VP. Then this is cut by a section plane perpendicular to HP and inclined at 35 degree to VP and passes through the axis of the pyramid. So here this object is cut with the help of a cutting plane. So this is the details of the cutting plane. Cutting plane. So the details are the cutting plane is 35 degree to HP. Sorry, not HP. Cutting plane is 35 degree to VP, vertical plane, and passes through the axis of the pyramid. And that cutting plane passes through the axis of the pyramid. Draw its sectional front view and top view. So two views. You have to draw two views. One is top view and another one is the sectional front view. So I will show the object first. So I will draw a hexagon. And I will change the dimension. So side of this hexagon is 30. The height of this pyramid is 74. Okay, so this is my object. Okay, so this is my object, and it is given that this is the side. This is the side of hexagon. Side of hexagon. It is given that is equal to 30 millimeter. It is given that is 30 millimeter. And the axis means the line connecting this apex. So this point is called apex, and the center of this hexagon. This center of this hexagon, the line connecting. This point is the center of hexagon. Center of hexagon. Okay, this is the axis. This line is called the axis, and the length of this axis is given that is equal to 74 millimeter. This is given. This length is 74 millimeter. That means this is the height. This is the height of pyramid. This is the height of the pyramid. Height of the pyramid. Then the next step is, so that is the case of the object. And in such a way that one side of the base is parallel to VP. One side of the base is parallel to VP. So I will draw the HP and VP. So this is my VP. This is my VP and this is my HP. So this is HP and this is VP, and here this is the one side. This is the one side. So one side is parallel to VP. So when you place this hexagon such that you have to make one side. So here total 6 sides, total 6 edges. When you place this hexagonal pyramid in such a way that one side of this pyramid is parallel to the VP, parallel to vertical plane. Here you can see a small inclination is there. Okay, here you can see this is the, here a small inclination phi is there. Phi is here. So when you place this object, make sure that one side is parallel to VP. Okay. Then what next? Then this is cut by a section plane. Okay, so this is cut by a section plane like this. Yeah, this is the section plane. Yeah, this is the cutting plane. This is the cutting plane. And what is the speciality of this cutting plane? Cutting plane is inclined to VP. So this is wrong. This position is wrong. Inclined. So here this cutting plane is inclined to HP. This is inclined to HP. Okay, but in our problem, cutting plane is inclined to VP. So I will. Okay, I will take the top view. Then I will take the top view. Yeah. Okay, so I will take the top view and I will draw the plane. Okay, so I will draw the cutting plane. So this is the cutting plane. Okay, okay, so here, yeah, here like this. Okay, okay, so this is the cutting plane such that this is inclined at an angle of, I think, 30 degree to VP. 30 degree to VP. Sorry, not 30, 35 degree. 35 degree to VP. 35 degree to VP. And this cutting plane passes through the axis of the pyramid. Axis means this center. This is the axis line. This center represents the axis line. So through the center of this pyramid, draw a line that represents the cutting plane such that that cutting plane makes an angle of 35 degree to VP. Okay. So first we have to draw the top view and the front view. Okay. So what is the top view? First you have to draw the top view. Okay. So draw the XY line, and the top view will be hexagon. Okay. So top view will be hexagon. And what is the front view? So this is the front view direction. Front view will be a triangle. Front view. Okay, I will show the front. Here you can see this is the front view. Okay, here you can see front. This is the front view. Okay, so this is the front view. Front view is like a triangle. What is the height of the triangle? Height of the triangle is 74 millimeter. Height of the triangle is 74 millimeter. And then what is the top view? Okay, so here you can see top. Here you can see top view. Top view will be hexagon. Hexagon and side of hexagon. Okay, so side of hexagon is equal to, that is given, that is 30 millimeter. Side of hexagon is 30 millimeter. Okay, so with this we can start the top. First we have to start the top view and front view. Okay, so I will show this angle. Here this is one side and this is the second side. Okay, so what is the length? Here you can see the, sorry, not length, the angle, the inside angle, the included angle is 120 degree. Okay, so remember this value. So remember this angle. Remember this angle. Okay, so the angle, included angle is equal to 120 degree. So you have to draw the top view such that the side is 30. So this side is 30. Then this side is 30, such that take this angle as 120 degree. Then draw this side. This angle, this side is 30 and this angle is 120. Then take this side as 30 and this angle 120. Okay, and take this side as 30, this angle 120, and finally join these two. Okay, so you will get the hexagon with the side 30 millimeter. Okay, so I will start. Okay, take the notebook and then draw the top view. Okay, so first you draw the reference line. So this is my reference line, XY line. Draw a line and name this as the XY line. Okay, draw this. Okay, so what is actually XY line? XY line means the intersection of the horizontal plane and vertical plane. So this is the horizontal plane and this is the vertical plane and this intersection. So this is the XY line. Okay, so this is my XY line. XY line is the intersection of the horizontal plane and vertical plane. Then you have to draw the top view. Okay, so this is the top view. What is the top view? I already explained. The top view will be hexagon. Okay, so you have to draw a hexagon here. You have to draw a hexagon here, such that the side of the hexagon will be 30 millimeter. 30. So you have to draw a hexagon here. Okay, and what is the condition? Condition is one side is parallel to VP. So this is VP and this side will be parallel to VP. This side, either this side or this side. So what is the speciality of hexagon? One opposite to one side, there will be another side. If you make this side parallel, automatically this side also parallel. Okay, so you have to draw, first you have to draw a side such that that side will be parallel to the XY line. Then take angle 120 degree and complete the hexagon. That's it. So I will draw the polygon. I will draw the hexagon. Okay, and I will. Okay, so like this, and I will change the dimension to 30. Okay, so this is the top view. So you have to draw this. Okay, how to draw this? First you have to draw a line like this. And this line will be parallel to XY line. Why? Because one side is parallel to VP. It is given. One side of hexagon is parallel to VP. That is given. Okay, and then take this angle 120 degree. Then draw this line 30. Okay, so here take 120. Then draw this line 30. Then from this, take 120. This is 30. Then take 120 using protractor. Then this is 30 and take 120. This is 30. Like this. Like this, you have to complete the hexagon. Okay, so this is this represents, this is the top view. This is the top view or plan. This is the top view or plan. So please complete it. Okay. Then you have to join this corner point with the apex. So this center line, this is the apex, or you have to join this corner to opposite corner. Okay, draw lines connecting opposite corners. Okay. So this is the top view. Then you have to name the corners. Okay. So here I will name this as small a. This is top view. So you have to name this using small letters. Then A, B, this is the second corner. Then C, then D, then E, then F. Okay, and this center line M bracket O. So M is the apex point and O is the center of the hexagon. Okay. So O is actually invisible in the top view. So when you look from the top, you can see only the apex. That's why that apex point is M and O is the center of the hexagon. That is not visible in the top view. That's why it is given in the bracket. Okay. Then so I have completed the top view. So this is the top view. Then I will project the center line. I will draw a line from the center of the hexagon. Okay. Then above XY line, I will change the height to, what is the height? 74. Okay. So I will change that into 74 millimeter. And I will draw this line using chain line. Okay. So this is the axis line. So make every time when you draw the axis line will be like this. So here this is called a chain line. This is very, very important. Chain line. Okay. So this is the axis line. So you can see a line, then a smaller line, then a bigger line, then a smaller line, then a bigger line, then a smaller line, a bigger line, a smaller line, a bigger line, a smaller line, like that. So this is the axis line. So every time when you draw the axis line, it will be chain line, not continuous line. So this is the continuous line. This is continuous line. So every time when you draw the axis line, that will be chain line like this. Okay, it's important. Okay. Then you have to project all other points to the XY line. Okay. So you have to project A to the XY line, then B and F, then C and E, then D. You have to project and name this. This is the front view of point A. So name it as A dash. Okay. Here in this point, 2 points. What are the 2 points? B and F. So you have to mark B dash comma F dash. B dash comma F dash. And here, this is the center, that is O dash. And here, this is C dash comma E dash. C dash comma E dash. And this is D dash. Okay. Then you have to join this. So I already explained what is the front shape of the front view. That will be a triangle. This is M dash, apex point M dash. Okay. So you have to join this M dash with the A dash and M dash with the D dash. Okay. So that is the front view. So please complete it. Also join this M dash with the B dash and also M dash with the C dash. Okay. So we have completed the 2 views. Okay. So what are the 2 views? So this is the top view, or it is known as plan, and this is the front view. This is the front view, or it is known as elevation. Okay. What is the height? What is the height? The height will be 74 millimeter. And what is the side of this hexagon? That is 30 millimeter. Okay. Then next is the we have to draw this section cutting. So it is given that, okay, what is the cutting? Here you can see this, the cutting plane is inclined at an angle of 35 degree to VP and passes through the axis of the pyramid. So the cutting plane passes through the axis of the pyramid and the inclination is 35 degree to the vertical plane. So next is I have to draw a line. I have to draw a line in the top view. I have to draw a line. So this is the axis. So I have to draw a line through the axis. Okay. Such that this inclination is 35 degree. That means 35 degree to VP. 35 degree to VP means 35 degree to XY line in 35 degree to VP means 35 degree to XY line. That means below XY line. If it is 35 degree to HP, that means the cutting plane will be above XY line. Okay, like this. Okay. Here the question is like this, 35 degree to HP. That means 35 degree to XY line. That means above XY. Here 35 degree to VP, that means 35 degree to the XY line, below XY line. And also this this section plane passes through the center axis, through the center. So I will draw a line. I will draw a line through the center, such that this inclination will be 35 degrees. Okay, so how to draw this section plane? So you have to see this is the center line. Okay, so place protractor here like this. So this is your protractor. This is your protractor, and measure the 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 35. Mark a point here, and then you have to join the center with that point. And then draw a line. This line represents the cutting plane. This line represents the cutting plane. Okay. Then, so once you completed the cutting plane, you have to mark the cutting points or the section points. So see this cutting plane cuts how many portions? So here, then the apex here, then here. So three points. You will get 3 points. That is called cutting points. Cutting points, or it is known as section points. Okay, so I will name here this as 1, this point as 2, and this point as 3. So these are the 3 cutting points. Cutting plane cuts the edge AF, then the apex 2, and this in this side CD. So these are the three cutting points. So next is you have to name the cutting points. Okay, so I will name here 1, then here 2, and then here 3. Okay, so these are the 3 cutting points. Then we have to project this cutting points to the front view. Project 1, 2. So 1 is on AF, so you have to project it on A dash, F dash, and name point here as 1 dash. Name this point as 1 dash. Okay, then 2 will be on this apex point, so name here 2 dash. Okay, so 2 dash will be here, and 3 will be on CD, so project this 3 to C dash D dash. So this is 3 dash. Okay, so then you have to join this. You have to join this cutting points 1 dash, to 2 dash, then 2 dash to 3 dash, then you have to hatch those area. Okay, so this is called this hatched portion. This is the section. Okay, actually I am cutting here. Okay, so actually I am cutting here, and this portion, this cut portion, that is the section. Okay, when you look from the front view, this is the front view, you can see actually I am cutting this object with the help of this cutting plane and removing this much portion. And here this cut portion, this cut portion, that is represented as the section in the front view. Okay, so this is the front view consisting of the section. That's why it is known as sectional front view. Sectional front view. So in front view, section is there. That is called a sectional front view. So in the question it is asking like this: draw the, you can see, draw the sectional front view, draw its sectional front view and top view. That is the question. Draw its sectional front view and top view. So this is the sectional front view, and this is the top view. This is the top view. Okay, then the final steps will be mark all dimensions, everything. You have to mark all dimensions. So what is the side of this? Side of this hexagon is 30, and then what is the height? Height of this pyramid is 74 millimeter, and the cutting plane is inclined at an angle of 35 degree to VP. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, thank you.